questions in mensurations. In mensuration we can start. Mensuration. That day we learned some formulas. Okay, what you have learned in our 10th standard and all, similar type of questions may be asked. Okay, write the question, children. The cost of plastering the walls of a room. The cost of plastering walls of a room. The cost of plastering walls of a room. 12-meter long walls of a room. 12-meter long at the rate of the walls cost of plastering the walls of a room. 12-meter long at the rate of rupees. At the rate of rupees 1.35 per meter square. At the rate of rupees 1.35 per meter square is rupees 340.20. Is rupees 340.20. And the cost of matting the floor. And the cost of matting the floor at the rate of the cost of matting the floor at the rate of rupees 85 pies per meter square. And the cost of matting the floor at the rate of rupees 85 pies per meter square is 91.80. Is rupees 91.80. Find the height of the room. Find the height of the room. Look at the question, read the question. The cost of plastering the walls of a room 12-meter long. So the cost of plastering the walls of a room whose length is given. The length is given as 12-meter long. Okay, you are plastering the walls at the rate of rupees 1.35 meter square is 340.20. So the cost of plastering the walls of the room. So how to do this? Plastering the room, walls of a room. So walls means, is it CSA, LSA or TSA? What do you will think? What do you will consider? Huh? Yes, louder.
LSA.
LSA. So LSA of the wall into, it is given as rupees 1.35 per meter square. So at LSA, when you multiply by rupees 1.35, you will get rupees 340.20. So what is the formula for LSA? 2 into L plus B into H into 1.35 is 340.20, isn't it? Isn't it? Now length is given as 12. So 2 into 12 plus breadth into height into 1.35 is 340.20. So 12 plus breadth into height is equal to 340.20 divided by 2 into 1.35. This one is simplified. Simplify it, what you will get? Okay, so on simplifying 2, if you cancel it, it is 170.20, isn't it? Is it 170.10? So if you want, we can multiply this by 100. So 17010 by 135. Now again by cancellation, we will find the answer. Okay, by cancellation you will get the answer. Okay, otherwise for the time being you keep like this 12 plus b into h. 1 second children, let's find out what we will get from the other side. Okay, now this is based on the plastering of the wall. Now what is the next thing given? We are matting the floor. Matting the floor. Floor means no height will be there, isn't it? It is simply L into B, length into breadth, at the rate of 85 pies per meter square. The remaining thing are in rupees. So it is 85 pies. So 0.85 is equal to rupees 91.80. Length is given as 12. So 12b into 0.85 is 91.80. From here, can you calculate what is the breadth? What will be the breadth? 91.80 by 12 into 0.85. On simplify, we will get what is the breadth. Can you simplify? So here also you can multiply by 100, isn't it? 9180 by 12 into 85. So simplify this, find out what is the breadth. After finding the breadth, you substitute the breadth here, you will get what is the height. Do you understand? Is it clear, children? Did you understand, children, my dear? Aparna?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is 0.5 or just 85?
Can you hear me? Shall we start? Shall we continue, children? Did you get the answer? Children, can you hear me? Aparna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So what is the breadth? Breadth is here 9180 by 12 into 85, isn't it? When you simplify this, what is the value of the breadth? You will get here. What's the breadth? 9180 by 12 into 85. Did you calculate the breadth?
9.
Yes, very good, Anila Mohanan. Breadth is 9. So once you get breadth is 9, substitute here. Substitute in this equation 1. Okay, substitute in the equation 1. So when you substitute in the equation 1, what do you get? 12 plus 9 into h is equal to 17010 by 135. So what is h? 17010 by 135 into 21. Cut short this, simplify this and find out what is the value of h.
6.
6.
6.
Very good, children. Okay, good. Okay, for the exam also, that's speed you need, children. That practicing you have to do. Okay. H is 6 centimeter. Is it okay, Aditya Satyan? Are you getting this answer, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Annette?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now write the next question, children. Okay, this model and all we have learned in our lower classes. Okay, just for practicing, 1 or 2 questions we are doing here. Write the question. Find the area of the shaded region. And this is the figure given. One semicircle Write the question. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. And this is the figure given. Find the area of the shaded region, in which the figure consists of semicircles. In which the figure consists of semicircles like this, and this part is shaded. This part is shaded, okay, and it is given as A, B, C, where AB is given as 14 centimeter. This is also 14 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. What will be the answer? How to do this? What is the area of the shaded region? How will you find the area of the shaded region here? Look at here, it is a big semicircle, isn't it? From there, what do you have to do? You have to subtract the smaller circle. But here we can add this one, isn't it? So what will be the answer? What will be the answer? It's a 1 mark question, children. What is the answer? Children, can you hear me? Aparna, Karthik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how to find the area? So this part is to be removed, and over this you can place this one here, isn't it? So this semicircle you can remove, but this is there. So what is the area of the shaded part? What will be the area of the shaded part? What is the answer? It will be same as? Yes, Karthik, give the answer. Not the final answer. How will you calculate? You tell me, how will you calculate this one?
Area of the small semicircle plus area of the large semicircle minus area of the
Smaller
small.
semicircle, isn't it? So here we are removing it, and instead of that here we are adding it. So the is or no? So will it be same as area of semicircle itself? Is it correct, Aparna?
Yes, ma'am.
Area of semicircle with radius 14 centimeter, is or no? With the radius 14 centimeter. What is the formula for area of semicircle? Aishwarya? Area of semicircle.
Half pi r square.
Very good. It is half pi r square. So apply the value and find out what is the value here. Half into, unless it is not specified, we substitute pi is 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 and simplify, you will get the answer.
$308.
308 centimeter square. If you cancel this, this is 11, this is 2. 22 into 14. 22 into 14, which is 308. Is it okay? Are you getting that answer, Annette? Aparna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now write the next one. Next question. The total surface area of a circular cylinder is? The total surface area of a circular cylinder is 462 centimeter square. The total surface area of a circular cylinder is 462 centimeter square. Okay, the TSA of a cylinder is given as 462 centimeter square. If the curved surface area is, if the curved surface area is 1/3 of its total surface area, if the curved surface area is 1/3 of the total surface area, if the curved surface area CSA is 1/3 of the TSA, find the volume of the cylinder. Find the volume of the cylinder. Yes, how to do this? What is given here? The TSA of the cylinder is a cylindrical water tank of diameter 1.4 meter. A cylindrical water tank of diameter 1.4 meter, and height 2.1 meter, is filled with a pipe, of diameter 3.5 centimeter, through which the water flows at the rate of 2 meter per second. Through which the water flows at the rate of 2 meter per second. Calculate the time taken to fill the tank. Calculate the time taken to fill the tank. Calculate the time taken to fill the tank. So look at here. So one big cylindrical tank is there. This tank is to be filled with, we are going to fill it with a cylindrical pipe. So pipe means it is again cylinder. Okay, for the cylinder, the diameter is given as 3.5. So what will be the radius? It is 3.5 by 2 centimeter. Here also diameter is 1.4 meter. So I am denoting this as capital R. So capital R will be 1.4 by 2 meters. It is say 1.4 by 2 meters. So I am going to convert this. 1.4 by 2 means it is 0.7 meters, which is same as 70 centimeters, isn't it? And what about the height of the cylinder? 2.1 meter, that is 210 centimeter. I am converting everything in centimeters. Now look at pipe. For the pipe, the diameter is given as 3.5. Pipe means also it is in the shape of cylinder. Water is flowing at the rate of 2 meter per second. So in 1 second, the height, okay, the water flows through the pipe means the notation we will use is H is 2 meter. It travels a height of 2 meters, that is same as 200 centimeter. Now how will you find the time taken? We are asked to find out the time taken. So time taken is same as, okay, what is the thing easily you can do? Volume of the bigger one by volume of the smaller one, like what we do for number of objects. Suppose one object is melted and made into another one and you are asked to find the number of objects. The same way here, what time taken will be same as we are filling it in the cylindrical tank. So it is same as volume of the tank by, you can take this as volume of the pipe. You will be getting the time taken in seconds because the units is given in seconds. So volume of the tank pi r square h by volume of the pipe, you can take it as pi small r square h. Pi gets cancelled. What is r square for the tank? What is the radius? 70 into 70 into height. It is 210 by r square h, small r. Small r is 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2 into height is 200. Simplify this and find out what is the time taken.
1680.
1680 seconds. Very good, Anuja. So this is in seconds. Okay, we will not be saying this in seconds. It's very big numbers and all. If you get minutes, you can convert that into minutes. So by 60 minutes. So what is the answer? How many minutes it will take? 168 by 6.
28.
28 minutes. So the time taken is 28 minutes. Time taken is 28 minutes. Okay, children? Is it okay? How to calculate? How to find? We are finding the time taken. So here the water is flowing through a pipe at the rate of 2 meter per second, means in 1 second the water flows a distance of 2 meter. That one we can take it as the height. Okay, so you will be getting the time taken in seconds. We can convert that into minutes. Divide it by 60 and convert that into minutes. So in one more next period also we will be doing problems in mensuration. Okay, mensuration means similar questions. Okay. Okay, children? Okay? Yeah, is it okay, Aparna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Okay. So end the session now. Thank you.